Hi, my name is Isabel, and in this video we will explain how to gain up to 20% efficiency in your engineering cycle while recovering your investment within 3 to 6 months. So, first and foremost, who is Elmo Solutions? We are in the engineering software industry since 1983. Our headquarters are in the province of Quebec in Canada. Our founder, Ricardo Talbot, is an engineer who was frustrated with all the financial losses caused by product data transcription errors and manufacturing data inaccuracies. For years, he looked for readily made solutions without success. So he decided to create the ultimate solution. Agnilink was born, and since then, we have helped numerous companies and manufacturing professionals all over the world. How are you wasting up to 20% of designers' time? Many manufacturers making products along an engineer-to-order model use CAD, PDM, or PLM software to design their products, then print and manually transfer the information to production. This approach is demanding for all the parties involved and can easily create a frustrating business process. This commonly found manual transcription process leads to very costly errors made in the production cycle due to the inaccurate bills of materials and the ineffectiveness of transcription of information between systems that are basically designed as very tight silos of information unable to communicate easily. By using this manual approach of transferring from CAD, PDM, PLM to manufacturing management systems, typically ERP, we can see a lot of valuable time wasted in data entry and rewritings. We have also seen companies lose up to 20% of efficiency in their engineering cycle. Some engineering environments use the export-import approach, in which engineering data is exported to a file which is turned imported into an ERP system. This is barely better than the manual approach, since it's a purely unidirectional approach that provides no way to ensure that the data transferred is acceptable to the ERP system. Only a real-time, fully bidirectional solution can ensure an efficient, reliable way to exchange data between engineering and manufacturing. Are you burning your bonus and promotion away? Based on our customers' experience, a typical American ETO manufacturer spends an average of 64 hours per week on manual transcriptions and data entries at a fully burdened labor rate of $40 an hour. If we multiply this cost by 50 working weeks per year, we end up with $128,000 allocated to data transcription only. We also need to add the costly mistakes that could possibly be hundreds of thousands of dollars of scrap and rework on the production floor. At the end of the day, those losses have a direct impact on the growth of your business that lead to less advancement possibilities such as promotions, bonus, and benefits for the team. Why would you want to keep on acting this way when everyone is suffering from this old way of doing? So, we must seek to redirect this money into something more beneficial to all. Some people think that if we remove 64 hours per week of transcription time, they will have less work hours for their team or for themselves. The truth is that instead of spending your time on inefficient tasks, you will be able to spend more time on innovation and growth. We have seen companies that allow their employees to work on innovative projects and competitive advantage rather than wasting time in tedious data entry. Imagine if your business could invest 64 extra hours per week on growth, what would happen to your company and to your position? As you know, the key to both personal and business success boils down to focusing energy on the right things. The key to success: efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right things, says Peter Drucker. At Elmo Solutions, we devote our time and resources on developing tools for engineering and manufacturing professionals to make their work life easier and pleasing. Our role is to make sure that you spend more time doing effective tasks so you can then spend more time on things you enjoy and not think about work when you are with your loved ones. The key to this success lies in the Agnilink integration, a file that contains a complete description of the data objects mapped in the integration process, as well as a comprehensive set of properties and behaviors that can be customized at any time by customers and their end users. To make this simple, it is like if we have built a bridge for an automated bullet train that will transfer all the data from your favorite design software to your favorite manufacturing software. All your data arrives 200 times faster at their respective destination efficiently and error-free. Imagine if you could jump on board and enjoy the ride without needing to worry about costly mistakes. Well, I have good news for you. I actually have free tickets so you can jump on board and experience for yourself the solutions. We have a VIP spot for you and 3 of your work friends who are implicated in the production cycle. You will be able to stay in the comfort of your offices, and we will show you in real time how you can put your production bills on autopilot. Please book your date right now in the calendar below and invite your colleagues for the ride. Thank you for watching this video today, and we are looking forward to meeting you. We wish you the best of success.